Hey guys, today I have a 2016 Kia Cadenza and I got a check engine light on, and we're going to be using my Innova 5160 RS to read the codes. This is the codes that I have, but all you got to do is press this button and it's going to read the codes. So after about 5 to 10 seconds we get an answer. It looks like we have P0335, which is Crankshaft Position Sensor, and the next one is Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit A. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and order the crankshaft position sensor, replace that, and see if it solves our issues. The problem that we're having is that the car is dying. Once we pull up to a light or it comes to downshifting, it loses all its power and it dies. So we're going to order that sensor, replace it, and hopefully it works. So in order to fix the code P0335 that we're getting, which is for the crankshaft position sensor on the Kia Cadenza, I went ahead and removed the cover, which is right here. So remove the cover, and you're gonna have your air intake thing right there, and it's just being held by two screws that are 10 millimeters. You take those off and this thing is literally gonna come right off, just like that. And when you put it back in, same thing, just slide it back, push it down. Battery, the battery has a 10 or a 13 millimeter thing right here. Mine was missing. Used the 10 millimeter to loosen up the negative terminal and the positive terminal. Picked up the battery, removed it over there. I don't think you need a video for that, right? So now it exposes this right here, which is your crankshaft position sensor. That plastic wire right there with this thing right here, this is your sensor. Okay. Yeah, give me 1 second. And then it goes all the way down here to this thing on the block, and that's a 10 millimeter bolt. Okay, but first things first, we need to grab this tool, or grab a tool like this, and poke it in here and pull the wire out. I need to use both hands. Pull the wire out and then disconnect it. Okay, and once you have disconnected, it's going to make it much easier for you to get in there and get to that bolt. I'm trying to see if you can focus on it. That's not. All right, I'm gonna remove it real quick. There we go. I'm gonna remove it right now. Here we go. Once you get it to come off of the bracket holder, you must slide this plastic piece back so you can remove the wire. And to remove the wire, press on the tab and pull back. Oh damn, I missed it. Press on the tab and pull back just like that. All right, and this is gonna expose your crankshaft position sensor. Here's the part that we got from AutoZone. It is part number, what is it? SU 14890. And this is what it looks like. All right. And that's the piece that goes down there. Same thing. So that it goes in here, you remove that 10 millimeter bolt, pull it out. You may want to put a little bit of oil around this so it can slide back in nicely, and then you're good to go. The installation in reverse procedure. So this is the way I'm getting to it. I have a 10 millimeter right here, and there's enough room for me to put my hand in here and get it. Do you see that? I'm gonna try to loosen it. That's how easy it is. Look. Okay. So you will have plenty of room. Give it a little turn and you should be able to unscrew it by hand. Now I'm doing this one-handed, remember, just to show you guys. Be careful not to drop anything down that hole. So here you go. Here's your screw. Put it to the side so you don't lose it. And now I'm gonna try to set you up here. Put the light on. See if you can see what's going on. Now what we're going to do, this, as you can see, it's already twisted. I hope you can see. Let me see. There we go. This is twisted, so you can just pull it out like that. Okay. Bam. There you go. It's your crankshaft position sensor. The way this works is it works with a magnet. As you can see, this one's already corroded and it's already old. Look at this. You put it against metal and it's gonna stick. Okay, that's how it gets the readings. It has magnetic readings, and if this goes off or it doesn't make the connection, it could cause your vehicles to stall out and not turn back on. Okay, So you may have to clear the codes for your car to run again until this code pops up, and then your car's gonna stop and it's gonna stall and it won't start up anymore. So we're gonna compare these parts. They look identical, so we're good to go. All we gotta do is rub a little bit of oil right here. You can use the same oil for your car, and slide it in there. We're gonna tighten it back up. All right, so here we go. We're gonna slide the new sensor back in. Sorry for the camera work, but we're doing it, you know, using what we got, right? Can you see it? Can you see it? This connector's in the way, that's why. Now with the connector out of the way, I'm going to show you. Sliding back the sensor in. Boom, just like that. Alright, now we grab our screw and we go in here and we put it back. It doesn't have to be extremely tight. Okay. Alright, you can screw it by hand until it's tightened. You come under here, grab your tool, and give it a little twist, right? Tighten it. You may have to go underneath these wires to get good leverage, but I'm trying to record, so it's kind of difficult. But I'm going to tighten it up real quick, and then I'm going to connect it for you. So, just like that, clear shot. So once it's tightened down all the way, we're good to go. Plug this back in, make sure it clicks, and then we're going to slide this back onto your bracket till it clicks. Alright, now it doesn't come out. Ta-da! That's how you replace your crankshaft position sensor and fix your stalling issues on a Kia Cadenza, Sorento, Forte, Optima, whatever has the 3.3 liter V6 motor in it. We're going to put it back together real quick in 3, 2, 1.